guys, hope you guys are good. Let me know in the comment section. So today guys, I'm just going to be making my cornrows myself. I just finished washing my hair and allowed it to air dry for a while. Although it still has moisture in it, it's still kind of wet, but I'm not going to allow it dry totally before making my hair. I'm going to be applying my cantu, tea tree and jojoba oil on my hair before making it, because right now there is no oil on my hair at all. I'm also going to mix that with the Jamaican black castor oil that I got. I'm going to use those two on my hair. If you've been watching my videos, especially my natural hair videos, you would have known by now that I'm a cantu fan, and everything I use for my hair, or almost everything I use for my hair, is cantu. So this is my cantu shea butter, tea tree and jojoba hair and scalp oil. So let me show you guys. This is it. Yeah, and this is the Jamaican black castor oil, the Wonder Glow castor oil I got. I showed you guys in my previous video. I'll link that video somewhere here. If you've not seen it, you guys should go and watch that video. So I spoke about this product in that video and I'm going to be using it today. So guys, I'm just going to be using a little amount of this on my hair. So this is the cantu oil. Yeah, I'm going to just use that on my hair. So I'm using this first before adding the Jamaican black castor oil. The next thing I'm going to do is add my Jamaican black castor oil on my hair. This is just the amount I'm using for my hair. I'm always particular about my front hair. I know I mentioned that in most of my videos, because I want my front hair to start cutting my edges, so I always take time to take care of it more than any other part of my hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is just comb out the part I want to braid first. Another thing about natural hair is it always shrinks after the wash. Always. So I'm just going to cut my hair. Been long I made my hair myself. So this is the first one. I did brush because I'm not ready to pull out all of my front hair, and I do not edges on my hair. So I know this is not perfect, but remove. Honestly, I don't understand what I'm cutting towards the back. I honestly don't know. I just feel like I've done justice to the front part. I'm going to be wearing wigs on my head, so I know how to take this thing out of the back. Hey guys, I'm hot. Like, I'm really hot, sweating. This thing is difficult because I can't pack my hair, so the hair is joining together. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but let's hope for the best. It's not about to be a perfect cornrow, but we move. The front looks good, I don't know about the back. See how I'm sweating. Two left to go. Finally on the last one. Okay guys, so this is just a not so perfect cornrow that I did myself. I decided to make the front brush because of my wig and the edges. So yeah guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's not so perfect. It's somehow not going to give you guys a 360 look of my hair. Going to use my JBC or my Jamaican black castor oil because I want the oil to get to my scalp. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'm done applying the JBC oil to my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for staying through to the end of the video. If you're a newcomer here, if you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm happy to have you here. Welcome to my channel. My name is Hilda and I talk about hair, lifestyle, beauty, fitness and food. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the OGs. Thank you for always coming back to support your girl. I really do appreciate and I love you all. Thank you very much. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Comment, share, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.